Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Lush Gardeners. So if you might have seen this entire journey step by step, if you haven't, don't worry, I will put the link in the description below. You can check the entire playlist from beginning till the end. So now as you can see, the mother leaf is completely dried out, so it's time to detach the mother leaf from the pop. But be extremely careful if you feel that the mother leaf is still very soft, it's very stretchy, please do not pull it out, let it dry out completely. Another important thing, do not put a lot of pressure, just hold the pop very gently and try to twist and turn the dried leaf. Now if it is completely dried, it will immediately detach itself from the pop very easily without putting any pressure. Do not be very rough with the mother leaf while detaching it, otherwise it might break the pop, so you have to be extremely careful. So this is how it tends to look like. It will be very easy once the mother leaf is completely dry. You do not need to cut with any blade, scissor or knife. It will just come out with a slightest touch. So you have to ensure, as you can see, it's very crisp. There is no water, there is no flesh inside this leaf. It is completely dehydrated. You might have seen how the mother leaf looked when we had plucked it out from the mother plant. It was very fleshy. There was a lot of juice, there was a lot of water, a lot of nutrients, but now it is completely deflated. Everything has been absorbed or sucked out by the pulp in order for it to grow. So that's the reason why you have to be extremely careful with the mother leaf when you start with your propagation, because this is something that is going to provide all the nutrients and all the water for the pulp in order for the pulp to grow healthy. It's going to be very crispy to touch once it has been completely dry. So now the most important thing, what are we going to do after this? Once the mother leaf has been detached from the pulp, even though it was completely dry, even though with the slightest touch the mother leaf got detached from the pulp, we have to ensure that we do not add any moisture or water for this pot right now. We have to wait for at least 2 to 3 days before we go ahead and water it. Do not be in a hurry. Remember, there could be a possible cut on the pulp. If you are going to add water or moisture to this container, there is a small chance that the pulp might get rotted. So you have to be extremely careful. So guys, that was all about it. Just be very gentle. Do not put a lot of force. We do not want to damage the fragile pulp. It's very simple. Once it's completely dry, just tuck it out. That's all about it. So guys, I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe and keep propagating.